Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Commerce Pro. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This van is finished in the graphite dust grey metallic paint colour and gets some of its good looks thanks to the full Richter Automotive body styling kit. In the front grille we'll find a cherry red stripe as well as one of the 360-degree cameras. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 20-inch Wolfsburg alloy wheels finished in a multi-spoke design as well as a black colour. Towards the rear we'll find a rear roof spoiler, and further helping you park and manoeuvre, the van features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with load lashing rings dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. There's a full black bulkhead that separates the load area from the cab with a pass-through, and a step behind the sliding door allows easy access. Up in the cab itself there's space for 3 occupants with some underseat passenger storage. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 13-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system that allows you to wirelessly connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, and this is paired with a 12-inch digital driver's display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Commerce Pro. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.